Bonjour et bienvenue à French with Gloria. Good day and welcome to my channel French with Gloria. Aujourd'hui, je vais vous enseigner l'alphabet français. Today I'm going to be teaching you French alphabet. Now let's start. Please repeat after me. We have A and me. A and me friend. B, that's bonjour. Bonjour means good day. Bonjour means good day. C, that's coffee. D, that's do, two. We have that's a call for a call. F, frère, that's brother. We have G for garçon. Garçon means boy. H, hospital. You have that's ici. Yeah, ici. And you have G, sorry, G as in Juliet. Juliet, that's July. Now, K, kilo. You have L, Monday. You have M, mère, that's mother. Mère, my mother. Then we have N, no, no means name. O, as in orange. Orange means what? Orange. P, means what? Père. Père is what? Father. Q, quatre. Quatre is what? Stands for 4, means 4. Then have R, as in rouge. Rouge means what? Red. X, say. Not the say, say here means what? Sister. Say, not the one they put someone in. Say here means what? Sister. My sister. We have te, as in tete. My head. I hear you. Université. University. Then we have V. Stands for voiture. We have W. That is V. That is W. V and W. W means what? Stands for what? Weekend, that's weekend. We have X, as in xylophone. Xylophone as the phone going in English. We have Y, as in zoo. You, I, you, the zoo, you. Then we have Z for zero. Now, we are going to go over it again in just few minutes and just try to refresh your brain or repeat after me. A, B, C. Can I hear you now? D, O, F, G, H, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, L, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, and Z. Z. Beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please, if thank you so much for watching with us. I hope you learned new thing for today, and you know the French alphabet. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day. Merci beaucoup et bonne journée. Au revoir.